Hi, this is Vaani Kapoor and you're soon going to find out what I carry in my bag. So, this is a small bag that I got because I didn't want to get judged because I carry the world in my big bag. So yeah, let me take out stuff one by one. I carry a perfume in my bag. This is one of my most favorite perfumes. And then I carry some mints or halls or wicks or something, you know, just like a mouth freshener and sometimes my throat when I feel like it's not so clear, you know. I'm a half-eaten protein bar, don't judge me. But I do carry food sometimes, bars or some chocolate or something or the other. I definitely want more than 3 people. I'd want my friends, my 3 very adorable friends with me. I'd want my niece and nephew who are just my life right now, Zaya and Kayan, my friends, Harsh, Komal, Rashi, and I'd also like to carry my parents here. So there are a lot of people in my bag. There are so many people, but I'd love to see what Kim Kardashian carries, I think, or a Gigi Hadid or a, Bella Hadid. The first luxurious bag that I bought was a backpack, I think I bought from Burberry, I think. Yeah, that was expensive for me. Then I carry a lip balm. This is Too Cool for School lip balm that I absolutely love and adore. And I think it always stays with me. It has a tinge of color in it. And then I have my AirPods. Usually I have them next to my phone. My phone, I don't know where, it's missing somewhere, but yeah, I have my AirPods. And I carry a rubber band because it always comes in handy. You never know when you're hitting the gym and you need to tie all your hair up. A little bit of money because I always stop and end up buying something or the other on the way, you know. A little cash is required or a debit card or something. A lip balm and AirPods. If I could steal one person's bag, there's so many people, I think I could become a serial robber. There'd be too many people who I'd want to rob off their bags. Who could it be? The first person, okay, let me just Bella Hadid or Gigi Hadid or somebody. I think in couple of years down the line, this Balenciaga bag will become vintage and then I can auction it and make a lot of money. I do have some change, some chiller that always, oh my god, they're like cents and euros and cent again. And yeah, like a blush and a blush brush I carry. And yeah, that's about it, yeah. And a lip balm again, yeah, just a couple of lip balms thrown into it, that's all. So I'm pretty easy when it comes to, you know, whoever wants to find out things in my small bag, it's very easy and handy. So guys, that's all that you would see in my bag. If you liked the video, please share, subscribe and like it.